Good evening, sir. Today we are going to explain about our mini project, which is scientific calculator using Lex and YAC tools. My team consists of Raghu Pawan, Rajat, Sahil, and myself, Lohit. Next slide. Next slide. Before going into the PPT, we'll study about our contents. First and foremost, we are going to explain about why we need compilers and the phases of our compilers. Secondly, about the Lex tool and the YAC tool. And finally, we are going to give our project description, its results, and the conclusion. Next slide. This will be explained by Raghu.
Good evening, sir. I'm going to explain about the compilers and phases of the compilers. So, firstly, what is compilers? Compiler which acts an intermediate between the source code and the object flow. Here, the compiler acts as a translator which translates the human written code to the machine understanding code. Next. These are the phases of compiler. It is a pictorial representation of the phases of how the source code of written by human is converted into the machine level code. At first, it takes to the lexical analyzer. In analyzer, the source code is break to the syntaxes and into a series of tokens by removing any white space or comments in the source code. Next, this lexical analyzer code, which has removed the breaks and syntax in tokens, it takes to the syntax analyzer. In syntax analyzer, it completely reads about the strings which are present in the source code and grammar in the source code, and it transfers to the intermediate code generator. In intermediate code generator, this source code is awfully converted into the machine level code. In code optimizer, the source code which have the white space, commands, and unwanted things are removed here, and next it got taken to the code generator, and finally the it converted into the machine level language program. Next slide. And this Lex tool will be explained by the Rajat. Continue, Rajat.
Thank you, Raghu. Uh, Good evening, sir. Myself, Rajat. Lex is a computer program that generates lexical analyzer. Lex is commonly used with Yak Fraser generator. Lex, originally written by Mike Lesk and Eric Skidmit and described in 1975, is the standard lexical analyzer generator on many Unix systems, and an equivalent tool is specified as a part of POSIX standard. Lex reads an input stream specifying that Lex analyzer and the output source code implementing the Lex in the C programming language. In addition to C, some old versions of Lex could also generate the Lex in RAT form. Structure of Lex, it is separated by lines that contains only 2% signs as follows. The definition section defines the macros and import header files written in C. It also possible to return any C code here, which will be um, copied verbatim and generated in the source file. The rules section associates particular expression pattern with C statement when the lecture sees text in the input matching a given pattern. It will execute the associated C. The C code section contains C statement and functions that are copied verbatim to the generated source file. These statements presumably contain code called by the rules in the rules section. In the large program, it is more convenient to place this code in the separate file linked into at compile time. Next, Yak is explained by Sahil.
Good evening, sir. I'm Sahil here to explain about YAC tool. YAC tool. YAC stands for yet another compiler. YAC provides a tool to produce a parser for given grammar. YAC is a program designed to compile a look ahead left to right LALR grammar. It is used to produce the source code of the synthetic analyzer of the language produced by LALR grammar. The input of YAC file is a rule of grammar and the output is a C program. Here the input file.y consists of three parts: definition part, rule part, and auxiliary part. It is then produced into YAC compiler, and the output file is y.tab.c. But the output file of y.tab.c, it consists of main function. Hence, to be executed, it must be compiled using C. Then the y.tab.c is compiled using C, and it produces and by using a dot out function we can produce the output for the given set of input. Next is explained by Lohit project description.
Coming to our project description, today we have implemented scientific calculator which can perform the following operations which are listed below. First, the primary operations which include addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. The trigonometric functions which are sine, cos, tan, and the logarithmic functions which include log, natural logarithm, ln. Here, the expression should be enclosed with round brackets. Next, we are going to implement the code.
Pause kotte illa nenu.
Now we are going to see the implementation of our code. First, we are going to create a Lex file using nano cal.l. Rajat will continue.
Okay, thank you, Lohit. And this is the code by using Lex and percentage flower bracket
Speak up,
is used
Rajat.
for percentage flower bracket is used for declaration, and first hashtag include y.tab.h is used for the communication is facilitated to declare the all the tokens in the
Your
app
voice
program.
has escaped.
Wait a minute.
Continue, Rajat.
Sorry for the inconvenience. This is the Lex program we used in the project. And y.tab.h, first of all, the percentage flower bracket is used for declaration. And here the hashtag include y.tab.h is used for the communication is facilitated to declaration of the all the tokens in the Yak program. And next mat.h is used for mathematical expression used in the programs. And double percentage is used for the rules in the program. So here we used 0 to 9, all the mathematical expressions like addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, and also the logical signs. And YY holds the text matched by the current token. And next comes, let's go for the functions. Log log function return which is used to return the log functions. Natural log is used for return the natural log. Sine functions is used for return the sine function. Cos function is used to return the cos function. Tan function is used to return the tan function, and mem function is used to return the mem. So at the double percentage we ends the code here. First we have to save it. And
We are going to create a YAC file.
Now we are compiled the cal file, Lex file.
Raghu will
Now
continue.
we have created a YAC file. Ampersand flower bracket is used for declare, which opens with declaration. We have declared double memvar, which is memory variable, and we have declared dval, and we have created tokens number and mem. The tokens are log, sine, natural log, cos, and tan, and the symbol for each are created minus addition, subtraction, minus addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and to power symbol. And we take the start to takes this and double percentage declares the rules for the program. We take the expression, we store the expression in the mem function, and return if we see the statement. If it is addition, we return expression plus expression is dollar is equal to $1 plus $3. If it is subtraction, it returns dollar is equal to $1 minus $3. If it is multiplication, it returns $1 is equal to $1 into $3. If it is division, it checks if the divisor is 0. If the divisor is 0, then it returns error, or else it returns $dollar is equal to $1 by $3. Next will be continued by Raghu Pavanam.
In expression, if you get the power symbol, it will return the power of $1, 3, which is number and the power of this expression. And next is about the log expression. Here we use log 2 by log 10, and next is n log expression, which is used to get the output of a natural logarithm. And sine expression which will which will give the output of the sine value, and cos expression for cos value, tan expression for tan value. And after we will go for the main function. In main function we will print the entire expression which displays in the output, and it is stored in y phrase. And if the y phrase is correct in the order, it will continue. And if the syntax is error, and it will show the error in the program. Rajat, now we are we'll going to compile the file here, YAC file. So there is no any errors in the YAC files. The command is not found. Let's start YY.c.
Wait a minute, Raghu. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Okay. We want to ignore all the warnings here. Now ./a.out, which is used for getting the output of this code. At the first we'll get the enter expression, which is we declared in the main function. Now we are going to enter the expression, which is 5 plus 2 multiplied by 3 minus 1 and divided by 2. So we'll get the answer 7. Now we'll going to this is about the sine 30, which is trigonometric function. 0.499 will get the values, and sine 45, for sine 45 degree we are getting the value, and for cos 90, this is for sine for tan 45. Here we complete all the basic functions and trigonometric functions of the our code.
So hereby we are concluding our project. We have completed this minor project and we came to know about various concepts such as LEC and LEX and YAC tools. In future, we will be implementing new applications with these concepts that we have learned. I'll close the PPT. Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much,
sir.
sir.